that there's a parang nagkataon there were also events that triggered all this, no? Number one is yung with our plan to decongest na iya. Yung Sangli Point will be controlled by CAAP. So yung runway doon and those facilities, I believe the private aircraft will be transferred there from NAIA. At the same time, may commercial expansion yung Clark. With all those things, yung best alternative that we saw was Subic. Because of its existing facilities, may deep water port for R2 WEC weather high endurance class cutters na galing sa US. And then we also have for the in the pipeline natin yung mga aircraft that will be arriving. So may existing runway na doon, deep water port. We don't have to replicate those. So cost savings yan for our armed forces. This is a requirement of our armed forces.
Sir, yung nililink siya sa conflict in the South China Sea?
Well, it will also be used, syempre, of course, yung location niya, it's a very strategic location to address whatever issues there may be in the west side of our country.
That's part of the consideration, sir, because of the tense situation there.
And all the other existing issues that we have to address. And of course, kasama dyan, we have to ensure or be yung maritime domain awareness natin in those areas. This would be very strategic location, syempre, in terms of their transit, yung mga considerations for operational considerations natin for our ships and for our aircraft.
So what do you mean you're still looking for funds?
Syempre, we have to discuss this with all stakeholders. And of course, yung paglipat, although it's the best alternative, no, because yung mas konti magagastos natin. Kasi kung gagawa ka ng bagong airport for the Air Force, ibang usapan na rin yun. And if you will look for another deep water port, so at least ngayon, since those are existing in a very good location, it has intrinsic characteristics na make it for a strategic location and existing facilities, aerodrome requirements. So, nandun lahat eh. It's just a matter of just simply moving. So
yung possible move, yung gagastos sa movement, wala sa 2014 budget?
That's what we're studying actually. So, we'll get to those details later on.
So may last na lang, timeline mo?
Timeline, it's we'll see yung timeline natin dyan. Kasi there's no definite timeline yet. Although, hindi natin kung matagal o mahirap i-quantify at this point. No? So we'll of course finish all the discussions first.
So that will be part
with all the
of
stakeholders.
The budget deliberations.
We'll look into it. I'm not really so privy to that particular portion yet of the details. When we have details, we'll give you more details.